In this video, we're making these milk chocolate brownies, which are so decadent and perfect for this festive season. To get started, these are all the ingredients you're going to need. First off, grease and line an 8 by 8 inch pan and set that aside. Then you're going to take your coffee and add that to the warm water. And just mix that in till it dissolves. Then to your flour, you're going to add in your cocoa powder and mix that till it is uniformly mixed throughout. You can use a fork so that there are no lumps in the flour. Now to your butter, you're going to add the sugar. And then beat that on medium speed for about 3 to 4 minutes till the mixture is lighter in color and fluffy. Once that is done, you can add in your eggs and the vanilla extract. And also the coffee mixture. And then beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium speed again. Once that is done, you're going to add in your chocolate, which is melted. Make sure it is cool enough so that your eggs do not get scrambled. And then you're going to mix that as well on low speed just till the chocolate has mixed throughout the batter. And then you're going to add in your flour and cocoa mixture. And beat that on low speed just till the flour has combined. Do not overmix. Stop as soon as your flour has mixed in. And then I switch to a spatula and you can just mix in any remaining dry flour. Be gentle when you're folding in the flour. And your batter is ready. You're going to pour this in your prepared pan. And spread it out as evenly as possible. And then it's time to bake. You're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure to check with a toothpick inserted in the center. The toothpick should come out with moist crumbs but not wet batter. That's when they are done, and be careful not to overbake them because then they will become dry. If you want them to be fudgy, I would suggest baking them for a lesser time than if you want them to be more cakey. Once that's done, you can let them cool completely on a wire rack. This should take about 1 to 2 hours and then you can slice them. Slice them into as big or as small pieces as you like. I just did 4 by 4, that gave me 16 pieces. And after that is done, it's time to dig in. I bake my brownies for a longer time so they are chewy rather than fudgy, but you can see the texture and the taste of these brownies is just so good. They taste straight up like dairy milk chocolate, and I just love that. If you're a fan of milk chocolate rather than dark chocolate, I would definitely recommend trying these, and let me know down in the comment section how they turn out for you. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll be back soon with a new one. Enjoy your holidays and stay safe. Bye.